One.
Like pie? Sure. Graduated. I don't really like pie though. Whatever. We graduated. 6th grade, yes, thank you.
Look who's under the table.
Ow.
Yeah.
Rachel, show them what you're eating.
Huh? Sandwich, brownies, and macaroni sandwich.
Hi. That's my cousin.
And what are you eating? Yes.
What are you eating?
I'm not that hungry.
Stop. Most of the food's already gone. Yum. It doesn't.
Okay.
There's leche flan though.
Yes, we're going Filipino on this. Woohoo!
Wait, pause it. We're eating.
Yes. We'll be back later. Look, it's Marina.
What are you eating, Marina? She's eating great. She said food.
Finally, something healthy.
Grape is not healthy. My dad was on
Lillian's not
healthy for
healthy.
your taste buds. Lillian's
Yes.
not healthy though.
What?
Nothing. Louis.
Up, out of down. Hi.